Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and it is the week of October 8th. I would like to do another fall spread, and this time I'm going to use the pumpkin spice paper pad. It was a hot buy from Michael's, and I think this is my most favorite pad for this year. I just love it. I think if I go there again and it's on the $5 sale, I'll probably try and pick one up, another one, as I believe I'm going to be doing some little paper bag albums to put in my Etsy shop. Some little, either like a paper bag mini album, or it might be like a little paper bag junk journal. I've made those before. Back for Valentine's Day I made some little ones, and they're just such a fun little size and great to give as gifts. It would be a great hostess gift for Thanksgiving or whatever. So anyway, I'll let you know when those come out. Follow me over on Instagram so you could, I'll be posting sneak peeks of that. I also have my fall junk journals coming out on Tuesday, tomorrow. So check out my video that will be up tomorrow, as well as the items that are up in my Etsy shop. So anyways, this is the pad I'm going to use. I'm not quite sure which papers I'm going to use in it yet, but it has beautiful pages. I just love it. And then of course I'll probably bring in some things from my Mambi sticker pads here. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we'll get started. here's my final spread. Fall is just one of my most favorite seasons, second to the Christmas season, so, or the winter, of course. But yeah, I found I needed some more little stickers to go, so I went into my stash and I have these harvest stickers. They're from Target, and I picked them up last year, so I just picked out some leaves and pumpkins to go in there. So yeah, I love how this turned out, and I just, again, fall is my favorite season, and I just love all of the paper and all that stuff that goes along with it, and everything else that goes along with it, of course, too. Thanksgiving and family and food, of course. So I hope you guys have a great fall season. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Come back tomorrow. I have some fall junk journals coming out, and they will be in my Etsy shop. So if you want to see the full flip through of them, tomorrow will be the day. So follow me on Instagram, and you will always know, like, kind of get sneak peeks of things that are going on my channel and in my Etsy shop. So I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.